we asked one of our clients, a professor, and one of his students what their experience was working with our Droplet Lab's tensiometer. Jacobo Hernandez Montelongo is a professor at the University of Temuco, where he used the Droplet Lab equipment to teach his students about surface science and hydrophysics effects as a fusion of the chemicals on various surfaces. One of his students, Aurora Rodriguez, who now has her degree in chemical civil engineering, used the Droplet Lab equipment to complete her thesis, where she had to obtain surface-free energy measurements for breast implants. Droplet Lab's innovative smartphone-based equipment brings convenience and precision when measuring surface properties. Professor Jacobo testified how the Droplet Lab equipment offered the technical capabilities normally found in far more expensive and cumbersome scientific equipment. The support team was praised for his immediate involvement when the professor faced some difficulties in managing the smartphone applications and helped answer all questions regarding the equipment and the technology needed. Things that impressed both the professor and his students when it came to the Droplet Lab instrument was the versatility, how easy it was to use both the equipment and the applications that came along with it. The demos with users when using the applications were very easy to understand and incorporate. Aurora was specifically impressed with the applications as it greatly simplified the work she had to do. She could incorporate images, save them on her phone, and run multiple projects on the same application. It allows you to work alongside others as each person gets to set up their own account and password all on one cell phone. Droplet Lab's tensiometer is cost-effective, easy to use, portable, and highly recommended by various students and teachers at the University of Temuco.